Are you tired of spending hours creating presentations for your customers? Do you wish you could turn your proposal into a customer-ready presentation without having to start from scratch? Well, now you can. Meet Copilot, the ultimate presentation tool. With Copilot, you can translate your Word document into a professional-looking PowerPoint presentation using just your own words. And if you need to make changes, Copilot can help you do that too. For instance, if you want to add a slide, just give Copilot some quick instructions, and it will create a new slide ready for you to review. But that's not all. Copilot can even make your slides more visual and animated. If you have a slide that is too wordy, just ask Copilot to make it more visual, and in a few seconds, you will have an impressive and eye-catching slide. And if you are worried about the speaker notes, Copilot has got you covered. It can generate speaker notes for all your slides, making it easier for you to present your ideas with confidence. Copilot is not only a time saver, but it also helps you be a better presenter. With its professional design treatment and speaker notes generation feature, you can focus on delivering your message while Copilot takes care of the presentation. So, next time you have a customer pitch meeting, make sure to use Copilot and impress your customers with a stunning and professional presentation.